Existence and crowned with success their most unselfish labor. My thanks to those noble souls whose large hearts and love of truth first dreamed this wonderful dream and then realized it. My thanks to the shower of the liberal sentiments which has overflowed this platform. My thanks to this enlightened audience for the uniform kindness to me and for their appreciation of every thought which tends to smooth the friction of religions. A few jarring notes were heard from time to time in this harmony. My special thanks to them, for they have, by their striking contrast, made general harmony the sweeter. Much has been said of the common ground of religious unity. I am not going just now to venture my own theory, but if anyone here hopes that this unity will come by the triumph of any one religion and the destruction of the others, to him I say, brother, yours is an impossible hope. Do I wish that Christian would become Hindu? God forbid. Do I wish that Hindu or Buddhist would become Christian? God forbid. The seed, the water and the air, the ground placed around it. And does the seed become the water or the air or the earth? No, it becomes a plant. It develops after the law of its own growth. It assimilates the air, water and the earth, converts them into plant substance and grow into a plant. Similar is the case with the religion. The Christian is not to become a Hindu or a Buddhist, nor a Hindu or a Buddhist is to become a Christian. But each must assimilate the spirit of the others and yet preserve his individuality and grow according to their own law of growth. If the world's parliament of religions has shown anything to the world, it is this. It has proved the world that holiness, purity and charity are not the exclusive positions of any church in the world. Every system has produced the man and woman of the most exalted character. And in the face of this evidence, if anybody dreams of the exclusive survival of his own religion and the destruction of the others, I would pity him from the bottom of my heart and point out to him, upon the banner of every religion, soon will be written, in spite of resistance, help and not fight, assimilation, not destruction, harmony and peace, not dissension. Thank you.